Boom! What's up everyone, it's Razer here, and yeah, this is another unboxing video. I was super excited for this because as you see, I changed a brand new hat. This is a Star Wars hat. I'm a big fan of Star Wars, and I'm also a big fan of this. So let's check out what's inside, and no more wasting time. Let's get inside. So I've seen it's a pretty huge box and it's a little bit heavy. I really hope to open this, so let's use our little unboxing knife over here. And okay, so this is our final box. I believe this is oh my god, it says welcome to the cult of Razer. Wow, that's pretty cool. This is power cable. I've seen it millions of times in YouTube video already. And this is the computer itself. Actually, it's very well packaged, you see. I think this is a cardboard box. See this neon Razer logo over here and covered with some special materials. See, this feels like a carbon fiber instead of the just cardboard feeling. Okay, so I'm gonna actually open this right now. Oh my god, this is like so great. Although I have seen tons of video about unboxing Razer Blade 15, this is my first time in real life seeing it. Oh my god. Okay, lift this, and so this is our Razer Blade 15 Mercury wide. My version is 15.6 inch, 144 Hz refresh rate, and this is 512 GB of storage, and for CPU it's i7 8750H, and the graphic card is 2070 Max-Q. So it's a medium setup. And on the back there's a lot of vent and two very tall, actually I would say it's a very tall rubber stand. Okay, so let's peel this off right now. Here we go. It's very sticky actually. Aluminum surface. It feels really nice. The white version, I would say the logo does not shine up like the green and black, very basic color from Razer. But I like this one a lot better because it's just more clean, and I would say it's low profile, so I like this. Okay, so I just opened this laptop. The hinge angle isn't too far back, so it's just normal. It's not like 180 degrees flat, and I'm not gonna peel this off right now. You see this keyboard, I would say it's very stable. Okay, so here I got my Surface laptop 2, which I unboxed a while ago. If you want to check out this laptop, I also made a review on this, so please be sure to check it out if you're interested in this. So this laptop keyboard is as far as my favorite because it's very stable. It has a decent amount of travel distance, and it's just the layout is very comfortable to type. It's not too tight between keys and keys. And for Razer, obviously it has a less travel distance. It's like that. It's very short, and I would say the upper material feels. This one has more like sticky feeling, and this one is just more smooth. And for others, I can tell obviously I love it. And aluminum, it's cold during winter time, Yeah, you see it's very cold already, so it'll be tough during winter time. And these two speakers on the side, and for the trackpad, it's what I love Razer Blade, because most gaming laptop, it does not have a very decent trackpad. They're either very small or they're very grumpy, I would say. And this one is very glossy. The feeling is like a little bit like the haptic touch on MacBook Pro, and it's a huge trackpad compared to this fairly big but not big as this one, Surface Laptop 2 trackpad. So if I would say this is like a iPhone screen, 6.5 iPhone screen, this will be like a iPad Pro, like 10.5 inch. So it's a huge difference. So this is about the outside, and for the I/O port over here, this is a microphone jack. This is a microphone jack to USB Type A, very traditional. This is a power cable. It's like up to 230 watts of power. It's insane. And this is a computer lock. I really don't know how to use this, and I really don't think I will use it. This is a mini. This is a mini display port, and the HDMI, another USB Type A, and this is a Type C port. I was always want this from Surface Laptop 2, although it is happening on Surface Laptop 3, but I still want it. So it's up on here, and it's also Thunderbolt 3, so it supports up to 40 gigabytes per second of data transforming, which supports the Razer Core X external GPU. No more talking, let's turn on the laptop. I'm super excited right now. Okay, so it is turned on right now. See, there's a special white Razer logo instead of neon green. And you see all those chromo key lights. It's just like amazing, you know? So let's wait for it. Okay, so I'm now going to show you how I activate the Windows 10. If you want to see it, you can go back to check my Surface Laptop review unboxing video. I will have a full activating processing over there. So, okay, so we're almost down. Oh, actually, we're down. So let's do some comparison here. I don't have any other gaming laptops because this is my first one, obviously. I'll use my Surface Laptop 2 to do some comparisons. First is that I love the chroma lighting on there, which this one only has one kind of backlit. And for the key layout, because I really don't use the right shift, so I think it's alright. And the fan noise, I can already hear it's a lot louder than my Mac and Surface Laptop. So we'll deny this. So I like this background a lot. This actually, I shot this by myself, and if you want to check more of my photos, I will post a photo once a day at my Instagram, which is called redseeker.jh. If you're interested in it, just go check it out. I have some awesome pictures set up over there, and I have already signed in my Microsoft account. So this is 144Hz screen, as you guys see, but sadly this is not touch. So alright, I would take it. And as this screen is not a touch screen, so it's like anti-reflection. So it looks 10 times better than this touch one, which I hate. The reflection sometimes can prevent you to reading or doing something else. And I believe this is basically it, because the trackpad is super smooth, I already tell you, super responsive, because this is a Windows precision driver. You guys all know that, like can do different gestures as said earlier. Just so many things pop up right now. I will actually make a more deep review on this thing, probably a month later, maybe 3 weeks. I have no idea right now. But as far as now, I have a great experience with it, except it does not charge up when it goes out of the factory. So this is basically it for today's video. If you had a bad day, hit the dislike button. I don't mind that. But if you had a good day, or you like my hat, or you like both my commuters or my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. It is Razer here, and see you guys next time.